function. Question 4. When function f of x equals to 2x plus 1 divide 5, first we have to find out inverse function of x. So number A, here function of x equals to 2x plus 1 divide 5. This one we can write y equals to 2x plus 1 divide 5, right? Now from here we have to find out the value of x. This case, cross multiplication, we can write 2x plus 1 equals to 5y. Then it will be 2x equals to 5y. We are subtracting both sides by 1, so it will be minus 1. Now we will divide both sides by 2. We will get x equals to 5y minus 1 divide 2. So x equals to 5y minus 1 divide 2. It means function of x, inverse function of x equals to, against this y we just write x. It means 5x minus 1 divide 2. So question 4 and number A done. Number B, we have to find out inverse function of 3. So here we already get inverse function of x equals to fx minus 1 divide 2. So number B, inverse function here is, we have to find out 3, right? So 3, it means 5 times 3 minus 1 divide 2. 15 minus 1, it will be 14 divide 2. So the answer is 7. So number B done. Number C, we have to find out 4 by 5. So we can write similar thing. It means number C, inverse function here is 4 by 5. 4 by 5. So instead of x we have to put 4 by 5. So here 5 times 4 by 5 minus 1 divide 2. So here is what? It's a 20 by 4, or we can out this one, 4 minus 1, it's a 4, and then it's a 2. So answer is 2. What do you think? Is it right? No, it's not right. Why? Because here is a 4 and minus 1, it should be 3. So here is a 3. So 3 divide 2, it's an improper fraction. We can write this one 1 by 2, and this is our correct one. So be careful about this one. A silly mistake, you can get 0. So number 4 done. Number 5, here so number A, g of x equals to x divide 2 minus 7. So we have to find out inverse g x. So first one we can write this one, let this one is a y. So x by 2 minus 7, let g of x equals to y. So now y equals to x minus 14 by 2. Cross multiplication, x minus 14 equals to 2y. Then x equals to, we can add both sides by 14, so 2y plus 14. So now we can write inverse g of x equals to what? 2x plus 14, right? So from here, if you want, you can take common 2. So here is x plus 7. So it's a one part, number A. Number B, here z inverse minus 4, we have to find this case, here G inverse 1 equals to 2 times x plus 4. Then we can write minus 1 is a minus 4. So 2 minus 4 plus 7. So 2 times minus 4 plus 7, it's a 3. So our result is 6. Okay. So it's a number B. What about number C? It's a 12. So number C, here is G inverse 12. So this one we can write 2, and it's instead of x we can write 12 and plus 7. So what? 12 plus 7 is a 19. So 2 times 19 equals to 38. Please note that we just put the value here, 2x plus 7, right? So here x equals to 12. So this is our number 5 done. Last video we have completed 1 to 3, and this video we are trying to solve one more math. Number 6. Here is number 6. Here ace of x equals to 12 divide x plus 1. So first we have to find out inverse hx. So this one, let y equal to ace x. It means 12 divide x plus 1. So we can cross multiply, then we will get what? Here is we can write x plus 1 times y equals to 12. Then we can multiply xy plus y equals to what? 12. Then xy equals to 12 minus y. Then x equals to what? Then x equals to what? Just 12 minus y divide y. So this one ultimately we can write inverse h x equals to, instead of y we can write 12 minus x divide x. And if you want, you can write this one, write 12 minus x minus 12 divide x minus x by x. So it will be 12 by x minus 1. So this is a number A, which is 12 by x minus 1. So what about number B? Number B, first we will write h inverse x equals to 12 by x minus 1, right? 12 by x minus 1. Now we will put, or instead we can write h inverse minus 4. So here is a minus 4. So 12 minus 4, and here is a minus 1. So 12 divided 4 is a 3. So it will be minus 3 minus 1, and we will get what? Minus 4. Next, number C. Number C here is again h inverse x equals to 12 by x minus 1, and instead of x we have to put what? 2. So 12 by 2 minus 1. So 12 divided 2 is a 6 minus 1. The result is 5. And this is our question 6 done. So finally, this video I am trying to solve question 4 to 6 3 math based on function, and especially it's an inverse function. Next video we will start very soon. That time we will try to complete more 3 math. Till then, take care, keep practice, and please subscribe my channel Magic.